Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to use these items here to show you how to make a glam vase decor for your home. So we have these mirrored pieces that I got from Amazon, and they have a protective foam over them, just a clear plastic to help protect, keep the mirror safe. And I'm also going to be using some of this Glam silver chain from BB Craft. This is my favorite chain. And then I have these square mirrored pieces here that I also got from BB Craft. They are so nice. And they have an adhesive sticker on the back. So we're going to be using these items all together and make a glam vase decor. Alright, we're going to start with this. This is just a box that I had gotten something delivered in. And it's a nice shape and nice and firm. So I'm going to use it for the base of my vase today. Any little thing you have sitting at home you can use. And I'll be painting the whole thing black. So I'm quickly gonna just paint it black all over, and then if I need to do a second coat, I will do that and let it dry. Okay, so here is our base, all nice and dry. So now I'm gonna use some of these mirrored tiles and I'm going to place them onto our box.
I say I made a mistake. Girl, I need, oh, I need you, oh, need you.
So I'm just going to continue with this pattern, going right around the box. Okay, the next step now, I have this foam board and our mirrored pieces. So I am going to just put them together because I'm using two mirrors, and then I'm just going to trace it out. We'll be using the foam board to place behind the mirrors to give us that extra support. And now I'm just going to use the X-Acto knife and cut out our shape.
I just need you back.
And then I'll be cutting out 3 more pieces like this. So I'm just going to remove the sticker on the back and place our two mirrors onto the board. And this is how it looks. And we have 3 more pieces, so we're just going to put everything together. And here are our 4 pieces all done with the mirror on the back. So one I have solid, and these I cut out the edges on 2 pieces, and 2 pieces are solid. So what I'm going to do is put them together to make our box. So we're just going to add the glue, which I'm just using some hot glue. And then we take a solid piece and the cutout piece, and they fit perfectly in together. So I'm just going to hold it in place, let the glue dry, and then on the same other side, I'm going to do the same thing. Just hold it together. And then I'm just going to add some hot glue going down the sides to help enforce the box. And now for our last piece, put the glue on both sides. And just attach it to our box. And then hold it in place to make sure the glue dries. And again, putting some glue inside to help enforce our box. And on the bottom here, I'm just going to take a piece of foam board and cut out the square to make the bottom piece for our box. Now our box is all ready. I'm going to come back in with some more of our mirrored pieces from BB Craft. So I'm going to take off the protective plastic, and then we're just going to add our mirrored pieces in the design going down the box.
life I've been waiting for somebody like you. And now see nobody like you. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. Crazy. But when I had you, I would say okay. I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you beside me.
And our mirrored pieces are all on. We're going to remove the rest of the protective plastic on our mirrors, going right around. So now we're going to come in with our Glam silver chain, and I'll be using some E6000 to place the chain, going right around the center of our box where the mirrors meet, just to make it look a little bit more neat. And here is our finished look. I like how it turned out. I think it looks very nice. And it is a tall vase, so you can have it up on something here like I do, or you could place it on the floor. Both ways it will look lovely. And you can use it as an accent piece all by itself, or you can add some flowers. Doesn't it look lovely with the flowers inside? I do think it does. I love how it looks with the flowers inside. And it was so easy to make. Easy and fast. And you have a lovely piece of decor for your home, or as a lovely gift to give to a loved one. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. I hope you will leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY. And I also hope that you will give me a thumbs up for today's mirrored vase. And if you're not subscribed, I hope you do consider hitting that subscribe button and hitting the bell so you can come back and see whenever I have more DIYs to share with you. Alright everyone, remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.